One of the most common concerns for first-time homebuyers has to do with maintaining their new home and budgeting for it after settlement day. There are some predictable maintenance expenses once you settle into your new place, but some repairs or replacements aren't so predictable. Prior to settling on a new home, you'll arrange for a home inspection. At this time, if there are any real surprises, you may be able to ask the sellers to provide you some compensation. And if you elect a home inspection contingency, you can always walk away from the sale with your deposit money intact. Even for homes that are in good condition, home inspection reports can look pretty scary. There is almost always a list of critical items that need to be dealt with soon, and an even longer list of things that will need to be replaced or repaired at some point. After all, it is the home inspector's job to find all of the home's defects, and to also clue you into the lifespan of the home's major systems. The report can also provide you with valuable insight as to roughly when you may need to replace certain items like the roof, hot water heater, and septic pump. That being said, inspection reports do have their limitations, as some defects can be hidden. A good friend of mine recently bought her first home, a renovated townhome by a reputable home flipper, and learned a couple months after settlement that there were some major plumbing issues behind the wall in one of the bathrooms. It ended up being a pretty major repair, and luckily, she and her boyfriend had budgeted for these types of surprises, so they were able to get it taken care of pretty quickly. And thankfully, situations like these ones are pretty rare, but they can occur from time to time. And barring any real proof that the seller knew about the issue and intentionally hid it, the responsibility to fix it is on the new owner. The intention of this isn't to scare you, but rather to be honest about the responsibilities and expenses of homeownership. Of course, the payoff of owning your own home and building equity almost always negates any maintenance expenses. And at EveryHome, we recognize that renting makes more sense for some people, so we're happy to meet with you and share our experiences to help you make the best decision about your readiness to buy. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 215-699-5555.